हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू आवर नर्सरी यूट्यूब चैनल। आज हम आरआरबी नर्सरी एग्ज़ाम पार्ट 3 कंटिन्यू करने वाले हैं। इसके पहले भी मैंने पार्ट 1 एंड पार्ट 2 अपलोड कर दिया है, उसकी लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगी। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं हमारा आज का क्वेश्चन सेशन। हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन है, पावर ऑफ अ लेंस of a focal length f is given by, so here we have to remember one formula, that power of lens is equal to 1 by focal length. Okay, so here this is a formula of a power of lens, so here our right answer is B. Okay, now what is a focal length? Okay, so let me explain you that this is a normal lens. Okay, this is a normal lens. The normal shape of the normal lens is a convex. Okay, convex. Okay, when the image is transferred to the lens, the image present in a retina. Okay, so this is a focal point and this one is called focal length. Okay, this one is a focal length. Okay, and the formula of a focal length is power of lens is equal to 1 by f focal length. Okay, so here I have to remember this formula. Okay, in myopia, okay, we corrected the myopia by the concave lens. Okay, and we corrected the hypermyopia by convex lens. Okay, there are mainly two type of eye problem, myopia and hypermyopia. Okay. Are atoms having the same mass number but different atomic numbers? So here our right answer is, it is called isobar. B is the right answer. Okay, isobar is the type of molecule have a same mass number and a different atomic number. So here let me explain you that. Let's take the example of magnesium and sodium. So here 12 is the atomic number of a magnesium and 24 is the mass number of magnesium. Okay, and here in a sodium 11 is the atomic number of a sodium and 24 is the mass number of sodium. So here this one is a mass number. Okay, so here these are the example of a isobar having the same mass number but the different atomic number. Okay, then next molecules is called the isotopes, which have a same atomic number but a different mass number. Okay, so let me give you example, that the protium, which is represented by this, then deuterium, which is represented by this, and the tritium, which is represented by this. So this one is a atomic number and this one is a mass number. Okay, so here in isotope there are the same atomic number but a different mass number. Okay, and in the isobar the same mass number and a different atomic number. Okay, so please remember the difference between the isotope and isobar. Okay, next question. The formula for calculating the crude death rate is, the formula of a CDR is the number of deaths during the year divided by a median population multiplied by 1000. So here B is the right answer. Next question. What is a pulse deficit? So here pulse deficit is a difference between the apical and radial pulse. Okay, so here C is the right answer. Next question. Anything which evokes the response in an organism is called, so it is called the stimulus. So here C is the right answer. Next question. Channeling of a strong and socially acceptable drive or a urge into a form that is acceptable to society is called, so it is called sublimation. Okay, these are the type of defense mechanism. Okay, let me give you one example. सब्लिमेशन में क्या होता है, अभी देखो कोई पर्सन को गुस्सा आया, एग्रेसिवनेस आया, तो एग्रेसिवनेस इज अ काइंड ऑफ सोशली अनएक्सेप्टेबल बिहेवियर, राइट। ओके, तो वो पर्सन क्या करेगा, वो पर्सन अपनी एग्रेसिवनेस की एनर्जी को स्पोर्ट्स में कन्वर्ट कर देगा, क्योंकि वो स्पोर्ट्स तो सोशली एक्सेप्टेबल है, राइट. सो दिस इज अ एग्जांपल ऑफ सब्लिमेशन. द डिस्प्लेसमेंट इज अ टाइप ऑफ डिफेंस मैकेनिज्म. उसमें क्या करता है, एक पर्सन है जिसको उसके बॉस ने ऑफिस में डांटा है, तो अभी वो पर्सन अपने बॉस को तो नहीं डांट सकता, राइट. ओके, तो वो क्या करेगा, घर पे आके अपने बीवी को डांटेगा या फिर अपने बच्चों को डांटेगा. दिस इज अ काइंड ऑफ डिस्प्लेसमेंट. ओके, द रिग्रेशन मीन्स प्री बिहेवियर स्टेज में चला जाता है पेशेंट, उसके चाइल्ड स्टेज में चला जाता है. ओके, so these are the kind of defense mechanism. Next question, what is the normal length of neonate body? So here right answer is normal length is 50 centimeter. Okay, next question, what is the symbol of element bromine? So here right answer is symbol of bromine is Br. Okay, so C is the right answer. Next question, the proportion of a clinical cases resulting in a severe clinical manifestation, so it is known as virulence. B is the right answer. Next question, enterotoxin food poisoning is mainly caused by, so it is mainly caused by Staphylococcus bacteria. So C is the right answer. Next question, what is the nurse and patient ratio for a teaching hospital? So here right answer is, for teaching hospital, nurse and patient ratio is 1:5. Okay. Next question, which is the plasma protein that constitute about 40 to 60% of a total plasma protein? So here our right answer is albumin. Okay, C is the right answer. Next question, a train passes a station platform in a 42 second and a man standing on a platform in a 26 second. If the speed of train is a 29 meter per second, and what is the length of platform? Okay, तो हमने अपनी परसों की क्वेश्चन सीरीज में इस टाइप का एक क्वेश्चन सोल्व कर दिया है, लेकिन मैंने ये फिर से क्वेश्चन लिया है ताकि आपको आसानी हो ये इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन सोल्व करने में. ओके, तो चलिए इस टाइप का क्वेश्चन सोल्व करते हैं. हियर क्वेश्चन ने हमें पूछा है कि हमें लेंथ ऑफ प्लेटफॉर्म कैलकुलेट करना है. ओके, सो लेंथ ऑफ प्लेटफॉर्म कैलकुलेट करने के लिए हमें पहले तो ट्रेन की लेंथ कितनी है वो आइडिया होना चाहिए. ठीक है, सो हियर ट्रेन की लेंथ नापने के लिए, सो हियर यू कैन सी द ट्रेन इज passes a man standing of the platform in a 22 second. ओके, अभी वो एक पर्सन है जो प्लेटफॉर्म में खड़ा है, उसको 22 सेकेंड में पास करती है. ओके, तो इससे इनडायरेक्टली हमें आइडिया आ जाता है कि वो ट्रेन की लेंथ होगी. ओके, सो हियर लेंथ ऑफ ट्रेन इज इक्वल टू, उसने वो पर्सन को कितनी सेकेंड में पास किया, तो 22 सेकेंड में, और उसकी स्पीड क्या थी, तो 29 मीटर पर सेकेंड. ओके, तो ये इसकी स्पीड थी. तो व्हेन वी कैलकुलेट इट वी गेट द आंसर ऑफ 754. ओके, तो 754 इज द लेंथ ऑफ ट्रेन. ओके, देन हियर दे इंक्लूड द ट्रेन passes the station platform in a 42 seconds. So here the whole distance covered by a train, it is the 42 second into speed. Okay, so when we calculate it we get the answer of 1218. Okay, so here the total distance covered by a train is a 1218 and the length of train is a 754. So indirectly we get the idea about the length of platform, because length of platform is equal to total distance covered by a train minus the length of train. Okay, so when we calculate it we get the answer of 464. So here our answer is a 464. The length of platform is a 464. So here D is the right answer. Okay, next question. The congenital absence of a parasympathetic ganglion nerve cell of the colon and a rectum is called, so it is called a Spreng disease, or we can say congenital megacolon. Okay. The main characteristic of a congenital megacolon is absence of a first stool, we can say meconium, from the fetus. Okay. This is the main characteristic of a congenital megacolon. There is a absence of meconium at the time of birth. Okay. Next question. What is the choanal atresia? So choanal atresia is a congenital obstruction of a nasopharynx. A is the right answer. Next question. Applying an unfair amount of pressure to a subject to complete the response quickly is called, so it is called procedural bias. Okay. Next question. Which among the following was created for administration of a big city? So here our right answer is municipal corporation is created for administration of a big city. Okay. Next question. The primary granula formed in a tuberculosis is known as, so it is known as Kohns focus. B is the right answer. Okay. Next question. The Sarda Act was passed in, so here our right answer is it was passed in 1929. Sarda Act, it is also known as Child Marriage Restriction Act. Okay. Child Marriage Restriction Act. It was passed on 1929. A is the right answer. Next question. Which ion help in depolarization? So here our right answer is sodium, which is responsible for a depolarization. Next question. Which vitamin does convert the prothrombin into thrombin? So here our right answer is vitamin K is responsible to convert the prothrombin in a thrombin. Okay. Next question. The umbilical cord contains, so here umbilical cord contains 2 artery and 1 vein. Okay, so here our right answer is C, 2 artery and 1 vein. Next question. Metal produce ringing sound, they are said to be, so it is said to be a sonorous. Okay, D is the right answer. Next question. Loop diuretic causes which kind of electrolyte abnormalities? So here loop diuretics like Lasix, or we can say furosemide. Okay. So this drug cause hypokalemia. So here our right answer is A. Okay. Normal potassium level. Hypokalemia means the decrease the potassium level. Okay. And the normal potassium level is about 3.5 to 5 milliequilibrium per liter. Okay. So here loop diuretic cause deficiency of potassium in our body. Okay. Next question. The stage of the embryo in which all of the body parts can be identified is called, so it is called fetus. Okay. In this stage we can identify the all body parts. Okay. Next question. Psychoanalytic was founded by, so here our right answer is it is founded by the Sigmund Freud. Okay. Psychoanalytic is founded by Sigmund Freud. Okay. Next question. World Heritage Site Fatehpur Sikri is situated in which of the following state? So it is situated in Uttar Pradesh. Okay, D is the right answer. Next question. The area of inquiry in a grounded theory approach is, so it is the approach of a social structure process within a social setting. So A is the right answer. Next question. The process by which muscular fiber of a cervix are called upward and merge with the fiber of a lower uterine segment, it is known as, so it is known as effacement, cervical effacement. Okay, so C is the right answer. Next question. Which is the mode of inheritance of a cystic fibrosis? Okay, so cystic fibrosis, the mode of inheritance is autosomal recessive. A is the right answer. Next question. Cyanotic spell seen in which type of congenital abnormalities? So here ASD means arterial septal defect, VSD means ventral septal defect, PDA means pettit ductus arteriosus, and TOF means tetralogy of Fallot. These four are a type of congenital anomalies of a heart. Okay, and here cyanotic spale, or we can say TET spale, is seen in a TOF. Okay, tetralogy of Fallot. Okay, next question. What is a bath used to remove the irritation of a certain type of skin disease and provide the soothing effect? So here right answer is brain bath. Okay, brain bath. It is used to remove irritation of a certain type of skin disease and provide the soothing effect. Okay, which muscles injury caused the torticollis during delivery? So here right answer is sternocleidomastoid muscles, which cause the torticollis injury during the delivery. Okay, next question. An investment made by MNCS is called, so it is called foreign investment. A is the right answer. Next question. Suggest the continuing education. So here our right answer is Kothari Commission, which is a suggest continuing education. Okay, C is the right answer. Next question. Milk ejection hormone. So here milk ejection hormone is oxytocin. Okay, prolactin is a milk production hormone. Okay, and the oxytocin is a milk ejection hormone. Next question. Neuroleptic drugs are also known as, so it is also known as antipsychotic drug. Okay, next question. How long do you need to wait for a decipher a tuberculin test result? So here our right answer is we have to wait for a 48 to 72 hours. Okay, tuberculin test, it is also known as Montauk's test, which is used in a patient having a tuberculosis. Okay, in that PPD, pure protein derivative, is injected in an intradermal into foreskin. Okay. Okay, then we have to assess the induration. Okay, and if it is a more than 10 mm, then we suggest that the particular patient is a suffer from or exposure from the Mycobacterium tubercle infection. Okay, and we have to wait for 48 to 72 hours. Next question. Which technique is used for separating the colloid particles from a small ion using a cellophane and a collodion? It is known as dialysis. B is the right answer. Next question. Which proteins are classified based on their function? So here right answer is protective proteins are classified based on their function. Okay, C is the right answer. Next question. What type of abnormal finding is identified in a ECG during the myocardial ischemia? So here right answer is during the myocardial ischemia, ECG have inverted and a larger T wave. Okay, A is the right answer. Next question. Which are the main function of a hypoglossal nerve? So here right answer is swallowing in a speech are the main function of a hypoglossal nerve. Okay. Next question. The process of a selection a subject of a population from a survey is called, so it is called sampling. Okay, is the right answer. It is called sampling. Next question. What is the precautionary step to be taken before administering a anti-serum or antitoxin? So we have to go for a sensitivity test before administering a anti-serum. So D is the right answer. Next question. Bhupen Hazarika, who received the Bharat Ratna Award in 2019, is famous in which of the following field? So he famous in a field of music. D is the right answer. Next question. What is the place with which microorganism can thrive and reproduce? So here our right answer is reservoir. Okay, in reservoir the microorganism can thrive and produce. Okay. Next question. Which among the following is also called as otitis externa? So here right answer is temporal bone osteomyelitis. It is also known as otitis externa. Okay. Next question. How much iron is approximately required during pregnancy? So here right answer is approximately 1000 milligram iron is required during pregnancy. Okay. Next question. The process of a straight deep term stroking type of back massage is called, so it is called apurase. Okay, B is the right answer. Then the last question of today's question series, what is the position called that the patient sits at the side of bed and with head resting on an overhead table on the top of several pillows? This is the description of a position of a tripod position. Okay, tripod position. Usually patient takes in a epiglottitis, okay, and a patient having a polio. Okay, so here we finish our today's question series of 50 important MCQs for a RRB nursing exam. I hope that you get all this exam, and if you get benefit then kindly share with your friend and subscribe to our channel ताकि हम ऐसे बेहतरीन वीडियो आपके लिए लाते रहे. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.